So hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, we in the sense me and two of my friends, we decided that we will go to the famous Bannerghatta National Park, and it's around 9:30 and we can't go out because that security guard is not letting us go out due to some issues, so we are waiting. I think by 10 we can go there. Guys, guess what? Managed to get out. We can see there are varieties of shops. Now the time is 10:50. Just now I have reached. Let's go inside. First we'll go for the safari, then butterfly park, and then zoo.
Okay.
It will be great.
Ready to go.
Susu ayo.
जोर से आयो.
Zor se. Finally found this. Done with Susu, now going for the safari. See, these two are sitting here. The ticket we got for 3, it will be covering the safari and the zoo. For butterfly park, we need to buy separately on spot. We opted for safari first, then we'll go for zoo. Welcome to Safari. This is the waiting area, and see the queue. It's damn crowded today. Everybody is on leave, I think. In every 20 minutes there will be one bus, and yeah, we are waiting in the queue.
ಯಾವ ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್
ಪಕ್ಕ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ.
Here we see deer. Here we can see bison. So these wow, these are deers. Deers and bisons. Wow. So many in numbers. We spotted two more, a few more. It's a huge number. All are deers. I think there are two varieties of deers. Wow! They are taking bath. Wow! See, now we get a closer look of those elephants. There are two tiny baby elephants. Oh, so cute!
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Someone sleeping on the road.
ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮನಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು
डियर देख लिए
ಏನು ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ
There is a lion. He's sleeping there. Lions. Wow. There is a tiger. They're walking, roaming, and watching us. Wow. Hello. You're walking. It feels like even when he's walking, he's angry. जंगल का राजा, राजाओं वाली चाल है इनके तो। वाओ, वाओ।
ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷ್ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಗರ್ ಬಸ್ ಮಾಡುದು ಬಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ full 1000 kg of meat in front of us.
Just now we have reached the place from where we started our safari, and we'll click some pictures and then move on to zoo or maybe the butterfly park. Photo shoot. In every 20 minutes there will be a bus going on for the safaris. So if anyone of you are coming here, and so you don't need to bother about the timings, you will get the bus for sure. I can't thank God enough for this such a lovely, sunny and bright, pleasant weather. Generally what happens in Bangalore, in the morning it will be like spring, and by the time 10 or 11 it will be summer, and after 3 or 4 p.m. it will start monsoon, and at night it will be winter. So there you can witness all type of seasons if you're in Bangalore. And see, because of this weather change I caught cold. I'm not well, but if I'm outside then it doesn't matter, you know.
Yo.